emails or text messages to notify parents of important information regarding the first day of school. Include classroom placements, the first date class will be in session, and other pertinent details. To send the message, locate Send Email Text Letter from the Reports menu. Select the applicable live message from the list. Determine which program terms, sites, classrooms, and enrollment statuses you would like to include. Preview. Click View Individuals to see who will receive this message electronically and print paper letters for those who won't. Enter your email address in the Reply To field and confirm that the body of the message is correct. Click Send Message and verify that you would like to send the messages. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.